Good morning and Jai Hind. In this video, we are going to study the discursive passage given in your LC on page number 21. So let us read this passage. The earth will continue to regenerate its resources only as long as we and all the other people of the world do our part to conserve the environment. This calls for a certain amount of self discipline beside a conscious effort to save the fast depleting resources. Environmentalists have devised a plan which, if followed sincerely, will both save our precious resources and keep pollution level under control. This plan consists of following 3 R's: restricting, reusing, and recycling. Restricting means checking ourselves from unnecessary buying. We often indulge in shopping for the sake of shopping. We often buy an object not only because we need it, but because it has caught our fancy or it is being offered at a discount. This kind of buying needs to be curtailed. Before stepping into a shop, we should ask ourselves whether the item we are going to buy is something we really needed, whether it is well suited to meet our needs, and whether it will last. This exercise will not only save money but also space and extra work. Reusing implies finding a new use for an existing item, like reusing envelopes or paper bags, turning a used box into a storage box, decorating a can or a bottle and using it as a pen holder or even as a vase. It is important to reuse items wisely. Giving away used clothes, shoes, books, and toys in charity is a good way of saving resources. Recycling is possible in the case of those objects that can be shredded, melted, or otherwise processed and then turned into new raw material. Paper, glass, plastic, and aluminium can be easily recycled to turn them into new products. Now, let us answer the question. What two suggestions are made in first paragraph to stop the wastage of our valuable resources? So the answer of this question is given here, that we need to conserve the environment from our part and we need to be self-disciplined to make a conscious effort to save the fast depleting resources. That would be the answer of the first question. Let's see the next one. What considerations should we keep in mind before buying an item? So the answer of the second question would be that before stepping into the shop, we should ask ourselves whether the item we are going to buy is something we really needed, whether it is well suited to meet our needs, and whether it will last. Let us turn the page number 22. So the third question is, what is the difference between reusing and recycling? So the answer of this is given here, that reusing implies finding a new use for an existing item. Okay, while recycling is possible in case of those objects that can be shredded, melted, or otherwise processed and then turn into a new raw material. Now the question number 4. How shall we be benefited by following the 3 R's? So we would be benefited by, we can save our money, our space, and there is no need to do extra work for this. Okay, in this way 3 R's would help us. Next question is, what are the disadvantages of buying items we do not really need it? Again, it will be the same answer just like the fourth one, that we are going to waste our time, money, and lot of space is needed to keep those things in our house. Okay, now the next one, we have to complete the following statements. As we are enjoying all the bounties of the earth, it is our responsibility to conserve the environment. Next is, often we buy things not to fulfill any need, but it is, you can write here, it is being offered at a discount prices. Next is, the original product is destroyed in the process of recycle. You have to write here recycle. Next is, paper, plastic and aluminium can be easily recycled. We have read this in a paragraph. The last one is, giving old things in charity is a very desirable method of reusing things. Okay, now moving towards the next one. Find words from the passage which mean the following. To produce again, you have to write here regenerate. With full awareness, that means you have to write here, by looking at the passage, the word would be conscious. Reducing in size or amount, that means the word comes here would be restrict. To invent a plan, system, etc. Devised, from the passage you can see there devised. To cut down, you can write here curtail, curtail, curtail. Okay, now the next one. Putting re in the beginning of a verb suggests doing again. To reuse it is to use again. Okay, in this we have to add re to the following words to make a new word. For the open, you have to add re before the open to make it as reopen. Next would be write. Here you have to write rewrite, rewrit, rewrite. Here would be reappear, reprint, rebuild and reconsider. Okay, next is, you have to choose the correct option. The synonym for the word conserve would be, you may write preserve. Okay, now the next is, we have to write the antonym of the word sincerely. The answer would be carelessly. Change the degree of comparison for the given words. So there are 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. And a word long is given here in a positive degree. So the comparative degree of long would be longer and superlative would be longest. In case of precious, it would be more precious and here it would be most precious. Now in the third one, we have the superlative degree of the fast, that means fastest. So here we have to write fast in the positive degree and faster in a comparative degree. In the next one, we have to change this sentence into a simple present tense. So decorating is a verb here, so I am going to convert this into simple present. Make it as decorate. Decorate a can or bottle and use it. Don't write using, you have to convert using into use. Use it as a pen holder. You have to rewrite this sentence over here. Next, underline the article in the third line of the first paragraph. Okay, so turn the page. Now in the third line, as you can see, this is the third line and you have to underline the article here. Okay, here it is the article. Environmentalists have devised a plan which, if followed sincerely, will both save our precious resources and keep pollution. So is the article over here in the third line. Now the next and the last one, you have to underline the modal in a sentence given below. So paper, glass, plastic and aluminium can be easily recycled and here can is the modal. So underline this. So with this I am going to end my video. Thank you.